Hey guys, it's Hamza, and I don't usually post videos this late, but this was an opportunity for me to post one as we have insane amounts of news to cover on Bitcoin. We see an all-time high in Bitcoins where people start selling off their Bitcoins and move into altcoins because they feel like Bitcoin has reached an all-time high. Now, if you watch my previous videos, you do know that I am moving more money into Robinhood because I did sell Bitcoin and other coins on other platforms, and I am moving those funds onto Robinhood. And I just hope those funds get transferred into Robinhood on time so I can take advantage of this drop and buy in on more Bitcoin. I actually sold off my portion of Bitcoin at around $36,000 and now it's hovering right around $29,000. I saw numbers as low as $28,800 per Bitcoin. And I wish my money was in this account a little sooner so I could make purchases. But what is going on? Why is Bitcoin dropping? And the reason Bitcoin is dropping is because of the double spend rumor. So in the beginning, people didn't really know if this was a rumor or fact, and I can now indeed confirm that this was a rumor. Now, before I jump into the video and cover that in a little more detail, remember to smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel if you guys are getting any value from my content. That would help me out with the YouTube algorithm and would make you a part of this awesome community. So let's quickly cover what double spend is. Double spend is basically fraudulent activity, meaning using the same Bitcoin to make multiple purchases. And the whole theory of Bitcoin is that you can't do that because there are a lot of checks and balances put into place for this not to happen. That is the reason for blockchain. That is literally why the blockchain was created. So tokens like Bitcoin, Ethereum are not allowed to double spend. And people who try to do that will get denied immediately. Now, the fact that this is something that we are talking about on the channel defies everything that the blockchain stands for and that these tokens stand for. So tokens like Bitcoin and Ethereum were actually created to eliminate this double spend. But it seems like the rumors, which they are rumors, worked and there was a massive sell-off in Bitcoin. You have to remember that Bitcoin is a highly volatile asset. And as you can see over here on the screen, I have $7,933 invested in Bitcoin, which means it is not in my benefit to see Bitcoin drop. But I can tell you this, as soon as my money is transferred and if Bitcoin continues to hover at around $30,000, I am going to spend all the money that is coming into my account on Bitcoin. And I know what a lot of you are going to type in the comments, that Robinhood is not the right place to invest in Bitcoin, but I don't use Bitcoin for any utility. I'm only in it to invest in Bitcoin, which means if I ever needed actual Bitcoin as a utility token, like I wanted to store it somewhere, I would actually sell it off of Robinhood and then buy it somewhere else at the same time and then store it on a cloud wallet or on an actual physical wallet. But for the time being, I'm enjoying investing in Bitcoin and keeping it on the Robinhood platform. So I'm going to keep it here so I can consolidate all my assets on one platform and show you guys how they grow consistently. Now, really quickly, I do want to show you guys a very important thing. Now, my portfolio did take a little bit of a hit. We were close to $100,000, and at the bottom, as this drop with Bitcoin happened, I went down to about $93,752, which is crazy. I was so close to 100,000. We were gonna make it. We are still gonna make it, but it seems like there's a little bit of a pushback. Now, for me, this is all exciting news because we are gonna see a lot of people jump into Bitcoin at these prices. And since I have set a stop loss at $26,000, which is my price for Bitcoin, I'm not really too worried. If it were to go below that, my stop losses would be triggered and I would sell all my Bitcoin and just buy it back at a lower price point. But I don't see that happening at this point, but it's too early to tell since it just started dropping earlier today. Now, once again, I just quickly wanted to cover what is going on with Bitcoin and how this is affecting my portfolio so that you guys are aware and updated. Also, if you guys wanted to check out the stocks that I bought today when the market was open, you guys can watch my previous video. I actually put all the ticker symbols in the title so you guys don't have to watch the entire video. And you guys will know exactly which stocks I bought earlier today. It seems like we are recovering from the bottom, but once again, Bitcoin is so volatile that we really don't know what's going to happen next. So I'm going to continue to monitor the situation and update you guys with any information that I have, other than the rumor of the double spend. Once again, my name is Hamza, and just like that, I'll see you guys next video.